Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important and interesting because we are going to discuss what exactly is happening at one of the biggest IT company, not only in India but the entire world. We will discuss about the denied resignation at TCS. We will also discuss about name not in the fluidity list, whether you are at risk or not, and we will also discuss about job security is equal to concept of the past. We will discuss all these points. So this is going to be a very important video. Make sure that you watch this video till the very end and try to understand each and every point that we are going to explain. Before moving forward, I have a small request. If you feel that this video is helpful, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get regular updates about the videos that we post online. And share this video with all of your friends working in different IT companies so they also get all the IT updates. Let us move and discuss one of the most important thing that any employee faces, that is the job security. Suppose you are joining, you are having an experience of 3 years, 4 years, or even 5 years, and you are joining any good company, right? Now you will be thinking that that company, I will be getting good job security. I will be working at that particular company for 2 years, 3 years. I will be having a decent project. I'll be upgrading my skills and I will be learning a lot of things, right? And I will earn also a lot of money, right? So these are the expectations from a lot of employees when they are switching the job. Or even if it is a fresher, they want to upskill themselves, they want to gain good experience, and they want to learn more and more technology, right? So that they can grow financially as well as professionally, right? This is the expectation that a lot of people have. Now there was a recent video that we did, that is fluidity at TCS. You can go and watch that video. That link in the description box will be present. I will also share it in the I button over here on the right hand side corner. Okay. Now important thing is that fluidity list, what was happening, people with mid level management experience or senior level management experience, right? So these kind of people were added into the fluidity list. Okay. And a lot of other people have told us that what exactly is happening, right? These people are added into the fluidity list. Okay, at midnight they are getting emails and they are basically removed from the project. They are put on bench and they have been asked to get into a new project or resign from the company, right? This was happening. Now what exactly is happening, right? So this is what one of the employees working at TCS mentioned, right? So it has been 3 days. Let me just turn on the pointer real quick so that I want to explain it line by line, right? So there are four important topics, okay, here. So it has been 3 days since I was asked to resign in a meeting room. Okay, I simply straight away denied it. I was crying and afraid, but TCS is my first company. I have nothing to lose. They threatened me that they will give a bad review after termination. So I said, okay, do as you like, but I'm not going to resign. And I came out of the meeting room. I was crying. I was scared, but I tried to be strong at that time. So why people are scared about getting a bad review is because when you go to a new company, if even if after 1 month or 2 month gap you are going to a new company, they will ask for background verification. And in that background verification, if the third party company is doing that, they encounter that you are having a bad review and you were terminated, then that might, you might face some difficulties while the background verification is going on. And if you are working for a company where they have banking clients, then it is very difficult to get onboarded because banking clients have a lot of requirements and background verification is one of the most important thing. Second thing, by the way, I'm not a senior employee and my name was not in that fluidity list, right? That person was not a senior employee and the name was not present in the fluidity list, right? These people are targeting benched employees first because they are easy targets, because they are sitting on bench and getting the salary and not working. Second thing is they are freezing our profiles so that no project can see us or call us for allocation. As you all know, the RMG group and other groups, they help employees get onboarded to different projects. Okay, their resume, their profiles are freeze. Why? Because they want to remove that employees, right? Even if we get a project through our contacts, RMG calls that project and asks them to cancel our allocation, which is a very bad thing. If this is true, we are not sure whether this is true or not. Guys, please let us know in the comment section if this really is happening or not. If this is happening, then this is a bad news for a lot of employees. And if this is not a true post, then I think we have to grow up, right? So not putting any kind of fake post in different Reddit or any other platform like Quora or something like that, right? So I don't know what to do next. I'm just going with the flow. In my branch location, there are several people who denied resigning. HR is calling them for daily for the meetings, asking them to resign and threatening them with various things like freezing their salary, blacklisting them, giving them bad reviews, saying nobody will hire them, etc. Which are again very bad thing. If you're an employee, if you are joining a particular company, you have something in your mind that I'll get good opportunities here. This is a good company. This is a big brand. This brand is backed by a big name, that is Tata, right? But if these kind of things are happening just to increase the profits and cut cost, then that is definitely the doomsday. But again and again, they are ignoring and fighting. It has been more than 10 days, and those employees are still in TCS but struggling, which is a very bad thing, I feel, right? People join you because you kind of gave job guarantee or security to a lot of people, right? A lot of people who joined before COVID, they are still working there for 50 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years also. Some people, recently we made a video on a particular topic, that is someone who was having 30 years of experience at TCS was let go because the budget was too high. I would say someone working at TCS for like 25, 30 years, they might not be having a lot of salary, right? If you compare that with someone who is switching jobs every 2 years, every 3 years, then that person might have better salary at 10 years of experience than 30 years at TCS. So these are the things that are there in the IT industry, and that is true. This is literally mental harassment, torture, and such a toxic thing that they are doing to employees. I joined this particular company because of its work culture and job security, even with a very low salary. Now I regret it. I should have chosen another company. After Ratan Tata, this company is messed up. Now, if at all that this particular post is true, right, then this is a bad thing and a bad news. Usually, we create both of the news, the positive ones and the negative ones also. But this is something which is disheartening, and this breaks the heart of a lot of people who are Tata fans, who are loyal to Tata Group, right? Who have been working at Tata Group for the last 10 years, 1 decade, 2 decade, or even 3 decade. And this is something which is a reason to worry for a lot of employees, right? Now we have already discussed like what should you do in such kind of situations. I would say simply, please buckle up and start preparing for different interviews, right? Use Naukri, use LinkedIn, use other platforms like indeed.com, and try to get a good offer, a good company where you can, it can be startup, it can be small or medium sized company, or it can be other companies also. But this is going to be very important, right? So please buckle up, start preparing for different interviews, start preparing, start to revise what you have learned so far in the last 1 year, 2 year, or even whatever is the amount of time that you have spent at these companies, right? It can be Infosys, it can be Wipro, it can be Capgemini, it can be Cognizant, any other company, right? So make sure that you start learning, start preparing, and try to crack the interviews, get into good companies, and start earning more and start learning. So this is a sincere request from our end. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. And if you have any doubts, any questions, any queries, then please ask in the comment section. We will happily answer all your questions. With this, I would like to end our today's video. Please share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. Thank you and have a great day.